I've been blessed up, I've been broke down. Gotta catch up, gotta shine now. Running faster, I can't slow down.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Brittany, and today is going to be a different kind of video. So it's going to be about hair. Excuse my hair right now. It's fun. But I recently ordered something special, something cool. Some of you guys may know who Jordyn Woods is, and I bought a hairpiece from her line. So if you're interested in watching this video, make sure you subscribe down below, thumbs up this video, and let's get right into the video. Here is the box. So it came in this really cute, sleek box. I got the lace U-part wig. Now I'm not so sure that normally doesn't wear like extensions or wigs, but this was fairly inexpensive, so I thought I would give this a try. It's 2020. I mean, I might as well start to try different things. So this is what I got. I really like the packaging though, it's really nice. It opens like this. Ooh, cute. So it has a picture on the top, and then here's the hair. It is in a net, so that's good. And then it comes with a little card in here. It gives you like the instructions on like, because you can wash it and you can straighten it apparently, but not too hot. And you can condition it. I think you can blow dry it. Yeah, you can blow dry it off. This is HD hair. This is not human hair, which is why the pricing is a little cheaper. So here is the hair. I think this is 24 inches. Yeah, 24 inches. So super long. I probably will cut this. It's pretty soft. I think I got the dark chocolate one. I didn't get the darkest one. Nice waves. My fingers are going through good, so that's good. Here's the lace piece, and they said just cut very close to the hairline, but not too close because they said it'll start shedding if you do that. So we're gonna find some scissors and then I'll try it on. But this is really long. Oh my god. We'll be back after I cut it. Alright, after 50 years of looking for some shears, found some, so I'm gonna cut the lace. Hopefully I don't mess this up. I've never done this before, so here we go. Why is this so intense? Oh my god. Alright, cool. The lace is off. And this is what it looks like. So, I seen that they obviously have to leave some hair out on the top, and I hope this matches my hair color. Because my hair is fairly dark, but it's like not like jet black. So, I'm just going to fake this. I'm just gonna carve out part out where the actual like part I need for the lace front, because since this is like this shape, it needs to go like that, and then when I pull my hair out, it'll cover the wig. So this is not for real. I'm just trying to see how it looks. Hey guys, so in the video, I know that I didn't put on the wig correctly. I've never worn it, so don't come for me. But you realize that I cut it. Well, you won't see that in the video, but I did cut the hair. So it is not long anymore. I just wanted to put that in there. And let's continue on with the video. Okay. Now, I've never put on... Have I put on a wig before? Not a lace front. And not for real. Cause feel like that, so back and forth. So I'll clamp them on before you put it on. So then you don't have to take it on and off. The middle one. And I'm looking into the mirror because I can't figure out how to do this. So I probably should part this because that would probably be easier than trying to struggle. So let's just get that out of the way. So then You can pretty much wear any part with this hair. Just have to make sure that my hair is covering the wig. And I need to learn how to do this little strap thing. But this is what it is. I can feel my bun. I mean, I was really playing close. I don't really know how to do this. I would have Lexi teach me or Jada, because, you know, but it looks like it blends good with my hair. I'll stand up so you can see how long it is. Whoa, that's long. Hold on. It's kind of tangly, but I'm assuming just because I haven't brushed it yet and it just came out the box. So that's how long it is. Crazy. It's cute though. I like this. Oh, and if you leave hair out inside, you can put the hair on your ears and you won't even know. And it doesn't look like a wig. Okay, maybe if you knew me, you'd be like, she had extensions because my hair's not this long. But the average person that doesn't know me, they're probably like, whoa, inches. But yeah, I like it, and these waves are really cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this review. I'm gonna practice because I have no idea how to actually fully function with this, but I'm gonna make it my duty to learn how to. Leave a comment down below if you ever tried U-part lace front wigs. Give me some tips what you like to do to make sure it's all good. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.